Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice, fun and story-based lessons. Today's lesson is called Daily Routine Conversation, a Day in Their Life. In this lesson, you'll listen to a natural conversation between a man and a woman about their everyday routine, from morning till night. You can take notes, repeat after each line, and learn how to speak English naturally. So grab your notebook and a cup of coffee, and let's begin.
Good morning, Tom. Did you sleep well last night?
Morning, Emma. Yeah, kind of. I stayed up a bit late watching that new documentary.
Again? You always say just one more episode and then end up sleeping at 1 a.m.
I know. I just couldn't stop watching. But don't worry, I'm up now.
Good. I've already made coffee and some toast.
Perfect timing. You always save my mornings.
Well, I try. I usually wake up around 6, do a bit of stretching, and make breakfast.
You're amazing. I wish I could be that disciplined.
You could if you went to bed earlier.
Point taken. Anyway, what's your plan for today?
I have a meeting at 9, then I need to finish a project before lunch. What about you?
I'll start with some emails, then head to the office around 10. There's a client meeting in the afternoon.
Sounds busy. Don't forget to take your lunch with you.
Already packed. Thanks to you.
You're welcome. Let's eat before the toast gets cold.
Getting ready.
I'll take a quick shower before my meeting.
Sure, go ahead. I'll do the dishes.
Really? That's new.
Hey, I'm trying to be helpful here.
Laughs. I'm just surprised in a good way.
You'll see. By the time you're done, the kitchen will shine.
We'll see about that.
10 minutes later,
Wow, you actually did it.
I told you. Now I deserve another cup of coffee.
Go ahead, but remember to leave some for me.
Of course. By the way, what are you wearing for your meeting?
Just something simple. A white blouse and jeans. It's an online meeting anyway.
You always look professional, even on video calls.
Thanks. Presentation matters even at home.
Work time. Okay, I'm heading to my workspace. Don't disturb me while I'm conquering the business world.
Smiles. Sure, Mr. CEO, just don't get distracted by YouTube again.
No promises, but I'll try to stay focused.
I'll be in the study room if you need anything.
Later, around 11:30 a.m.
How's it going?
Not bad. I finished the report, but now I'm starving.
Perfect timing. Lunch is ready.
You're the best. What's on the menu today?
Grilled chicken and salad. Something light and healthy.
Sounds great. Let's eat together before your next meeting. Afternoon activities.
So, are you going to the office later?
Yeah. I have to meet the client at 2:30. Probably back around 6.
Okay, I'll finish my project and maybe take a short walk before dinner.
That's nice. You always find time for exercise.
It helps me stay calm. Plus, I like watching the sunset from the park.
Maybe I'll join you tomorrow.
I'd love that.
Evening routine. At 6:30 p.m. I'm back. Long day, but the meeting went well.
Welcome home. How was it?
Productive, but exhausting. I could use a shower and some food.
Dinner's almost ready. We're having pasta tonight.
You're spoiling me.
Just keeping you happy and healthy.
Mission accomplished. After dinner,
Should we watch a movie or go for a walk?
let's take a short walk first. Fresh air will help me relax.
Great idea. I'll grab my jacket.
It's nice to end the day together, isn't it?
Absolutely. These little moments make life beautiful.
I agree. Tomorrow we'll wake up early again, right?
Smiles. Depends on how late you stay up tonight.
Touche. Okay, no late night shows tonight.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Night talk.
Time for bed. Did you set the alarm for 6?
Yup. Are you reading before sleep again?
Just a few pages. It helps me relax.
I should probably start that habit too.
Try it. Reading clears your mind.
All right, good night, Emma.
Good night, Tom. Sweet dreams.
Same to you. Thank you for watching and practicing with us. Remember, learning English is about daily habits, just like the couple in this story. Speak a little every day, listen more, and stay positive. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Weekend Routine Conversation. Goodbye and happy learning.